What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. This video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of x cubed plus y cubed equals to 18xy. And we need to use implicit differentiation method. We need to find out dy over dx. So that will be equal to the derivative of x cubed with respect to x plus the derivative of y cubed with respect to x equals to the derivative of 18xy with respect to x. So that's going to be 3x squared plus 3y squared dy over dx, because y is the function of x, so we need to include this part, and then 18 times the derivative of xy with respect to x. We need to use product rule. Derivative of x is 1 times y plus x times derivative of y with respect to x, because we need to use the product rule. Now what I can do, I can simplify it. That's 18y plus 18x dy over dx. Then I keep these two on the left hand side and these two terms on the right hand side. So it's going to be 3y squared dy over dx minus 18x dy over dx equals to 18y minus 3x squared. Then I factor dy over dx, 3y squared minus 18x equals to 18y minus 3x squared. So dy over dx will be 18y minus 3x squared over 3y squared minus 18x. If I factor 3 from numerator and denominator, they cancel out, and we're going to have 6y minus x squared divided by y squared minus 6x. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.